Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, happy Mask Monday. And today I am doing the face mask. This is a radiant facial mask, brightening, hydrating, calming with vitamin C. We've got us a glare on there. And I got this mask from Sherry from Beauty Is You, and Sherry is just a wonderful person. And if you don't know her, I would recommend you going over and checking out her channel. And I would also ask y'all to pray for her, or good vibes, whatever it is that you do. But I pray, and I know many of you do. She has had COVID, and she's kind of got the long COVID. She's just got a lot of things going on, and she's recovering. But it's been a slow process, so keep her in your prayers. She's wonderful. She's got a great little channel. She hasn't been as often on her channel because of her illness, but she is getting better, and I know she'd appreciate the prayers. And she sent this to me along with a little toy for my doggies, and they just love that toy. But she, like I said, is a great person. Y'all go over and give her some love if you don't know her, and send up some prayers. And again, her name is Sherry, and she lives in Florida, and she's got a dog, and she takes care of some others as well. So she's kind of like the main person that takes care of not only herself but of several others. So yeah, do please keep her in your prayers. Sherry, thank you for this mask. I'm sure it's going to be wonderful. It's full of essence. Right off the bat, I mean, it's just got lots of essence inside here. I'm going to put some on here. But it feels really good. So I hope you all are having a great Monday. I am going to do a little of this and that. I did have some friend mail. I got a postcard from Plush Bat Fan, and he is from Dream Big Productions, Plush Bat Fan. And he sent me this card, and it's Oh Little Town of Bethlehem. And so it's got the little song, Oh little town of Bethlehem, how still we see thee lie, above thy deep and dreamless sleep, the silent stars go by, yes, and the dark streets shine at the everlasting light. And that is the end of the chorus there. And I know many of y'all know that song, and I hope I didn't butcher it too bad. But isn't that a cute card? He finds the cutest things to send to us. If you don't know Plush Bat Fan, he has a channel. He has gaming on his channel, and he does a really, I guess like little short clips of little games, and they have music on them. And they're just really cute and fun. And if you are a gamer or someone that likes that, I think some of them are even like, I don't know if antique is the right word. Oh, I can't think of the word that I'm thinking of, but something like that. He's got some cute things on there. But go and give him some love and support his channel. He sends out so many things to so many of us. I mean, he's very generous. And I know Bonnie's from Bonnie's Bargains gotten things. I know just recently Kiki got some things, and her little grandson's going to love it. Kiki's with Kiki's Cracker Jack box. And Review with Sue gets things, and I get things. I mean, and we're talking about just very generous gifts. Plush stuffed animals, see and tell, play machines, recorders, tapes, books. I've gotten all kinds of things, and I just want to thank you again, Plush Bat Fan. You've just been extremely generous. And my grandkids, when they come to visit, love to check all those items out because they're so cute. And like I said, he's so generous, and that's a cute card. Thank you very much. Now, the next item I have is, I don't know if y'all remember, I got my GQ box, and there was a card in there for me to redeem the Bather, that's the brand, the Bather swim trunks, and it came in this mailer. It's got bather.com, and it was a $90 pair of swim trunks. Now, I don't know that I'd ever pay that much, and I don't think my husband would either, but you never know. I don't think so, though. But they were free, and they even included the shipping and everything. And they did show that they were green, and this is them. And they're very cute. And he asked me if they had a pocket on the inside. It is lined on the inside, but there's no pocket. I know he prefers to have a pocket on the inside of his swim trunks. And for $90, you'd think that they would have that, you know, like where you can keep a key or some change or something. It does have a pocket on the back, but I don't know if he'd feel comfortable putting anything in here or not. So I guess that'll be a question that he'll have to answer. But they're very cute. They're made of good fabric. They have pockets on each side, so that's kind of nice. So that they really are a nice pair of swim trunks, or he could just wear them around if he wants to. But that's what he got, and that was from the GQ box, and that was the free pair that I had to order to get the right size. Now the next thing I have is from Kikiz Cosmetics. This is a new cosmetic company, and I don't really know how new it is, but the owner, her name's Kiki, and she's 19 years old. And and she started this business of handmade lip glosses and lip plumpers, and I think she has like facial highlighters or blushers. On her package it says, "Self-love looks good on you. Thanks for shopping with Kikiz Cosmetics." And like I said, she's 19 years old, and I'll read more about her in just a minute. But Shannon Carroll had introduced this to me on her channel. And Shannon, if you don't know Shannon Carroll, you've got to go over and see Shannon Carroll. She has a lot about beauty. She's everything beauty. I think that's kind of how she opens up her statement. And if you haven't subscribed to her, I would highly recommend that you subscribe to Shannon Carroll as well. She introduces a lot of different products, and I was on there one day and she had introduced this product, and I was very impressed with it. And there's some others that she's done that are new. I don't know where she finds them, but she finds new companies. And a little bit about this company is, she says, "My name's Kiki, aka McKenna Casada. I'm 19 years old. I started Kikiz Cosmetics back in August of 2020, and this journey has changed my life. For my whole life, I've always wanted to become a content creator, and I'm a very outgoing person, and I needed to channel that energy into something meaningful," she says. "For the past year, I've been growing a platform of my business, so I really want to think about what my purpose is, what my brand truly stands for, promoting women empowerment and inclusiveness. I want my social media platforms to be a safe place for everyone. So please join my business journey by following her at Kikiz Cosmetics." And of course she says, "Thanks for reading this." And on her home page is where she says, she goes, "Be bold, be all in all. Lip care and body care, handmade with love." So these products are handmade by her. She goes, "I'm on a journey to promote inclusivity, women empowerment, and self-love through handmade products." And then she's got subscribe to the channel, and she's a 19-year-old entrepreneur. And I believe I had mentioned that a while ago. But anyways, on her card, she has this little card in here that says, "You're beautiful, you're strong, XOXO Kiki." And then on the back, she's got some advertisement for her channel and promoting her tag-alongs. If you want to follow her, there's all of her little information. And you can use that promotion, 15 Self-Love. That'll save you 15% off your order. And that's what I did. Now, I'm going to have her information down in my description, but I want to tell you, you're going to have to wait till she has more product on hand. She sells out. And I mean, she put all new products, had filled all the different kinds, and they sold out within a week. And I was able to grab my hands on 2 lip glosses, and I wanted 4, but by the time I got to my checkout, 2 of them had already sold out. So that's how fast they go. That's how popular these little lip glosses are. And I got 2 different, I guess you could say, I don't know, flavors, colors. And one of the ones that I got was one that's going to shift and change colors. I believe that's this one right here, but I'm not 100% sure. Nope. This here is the rosemary peppermint one, I believe. Let me get on her side again. This here is the peppermint rose. Now this one here is going to maybe have a little bit of plumping, and it sells for $10. And you can see the richness of it right there. And I'm going to put just a little bit on. It's very emollient. And again, guys, it's handmade. And it's definitely going to plump up a little bit with that peppermint in there. And it's got some rose. And I don't know, it doesn't really have much of a color on my lips, just a little bit. Gives it a little bit of a sheen, that's for sure. It feels really good. Now the next one that I got is called Afterglow, and that's this one right here. And I think this one here is supposed to change colors after you have it on. Now this is the only one of the lip balms that is $12. The others are all $10 each. And the way you reach her is you pretty much have to email her to be notified of when she's restocking. And when she restocks and she tells you it's happening at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, you better be on there and be ready to get your product because, like I said, they went fast. I will say that the cream blush sticks sold a little slower, so they didn't sell out quite as fast. But, you know, that was this time. That could totally change. And it looks like she's added a Kikiz mini kit where you can get, I think, samples of many of her, I guess, colors for like $45. And that's new. That wasn't on there whenever I was on the site originally. So that might be something that she's added into it. But like I said, this is still a very nice, soothing, cooling feeling on my lips. And I really like it. And then the one that I'm going to try here is the Afterglow. And again, I found out about this company from Shannon Carroll. And it looks like my mask doesn't want to stay flat on my face. And I've got a little Jack Russell over there crying. So you'll just have to bear with them. I'm going to see about getting this off my lips so we can try on this other one. And again, it's very rich and emollient. Oh, it smells like a dreamsicle. You know what I'm talking about? Those little ice cream pops that you used to get. I don't know if they even make them anymore. You could get a fudge-sicle, dreamsicle, or you could get an orange one. And when we were kids, we loved getting the orange ones. You can see how emollient that is. It tastes a little bit like that too. Very good. These are very rich, emollient. They're handmade. And I don't know if they're vegan or not. I'm not sure if it even says that on here. It says the lip gloss inside is known to cause a sudden urge to be the best version of you. Hydrate and nourish your lips all day long using daily as needed. So that's what that says on there. I guess that's her packaging on all her boxes. And because she's a small company, she doesn't really have them named with the specifics. So I'm thinking, you know, it's just easier just to put all these, each one into the packaging, and you know what it is when you pick it up as far as the color goes and or the scent. But this is very refreshing, very, very emollient. And you can tell she's using natural oils in it. So that is basically what I have today. And I've had this mask on about 15 minutes now. So we're going to take it off. Sherry, this has felt really good. And we're going to see how much it's brightened up my skin. Pretty good. Yep. Then we're going to rub some of this on. And then my lips feel fabulous with these 2 lip glosses. And like I said, I would recommend them. I'll put her information down there so you can contact her. I don't know how often she restocks, but I'm sure she's busy at it again, because anybody that sells out of their product and they're in business, they want to have more product to have more sales. So I'm sure you'll be able to get through there. Be sure and use the 15 self-love to save 15% on your next order, and connect with her if you're interested in her. There's her Gmail account right there, and that's how I got a hold of her. And she got back with me lickety-split and let me know when her next inventory stock was coming in and when it was going live, so I could get on there and get to it right away. So thank you, Shannon, for introducing that to me. And thank you, Plush Bat Fan, for sending me this cute little postcard with Oh Little Town of Bethlehem on there. And we had the bather swimsuit. Yeah, so that's all I have today, other than this mask that I got from Sherry. And Sherry, thank you. It's very soothing. I'm going to rub it in a little bit more. I still have lots of essence, and there's more essence in here. And I'm going to put that extra essence on my arms. I always try to squeeze every last drop out and get it all on. So yeah, that is very, very nice. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. And that is it today for Mass Monday. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you the next time that we have a chance to visit. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would ask you to subscribe and like and hit that notification bell so you'll know my next video. I have lots of things coming out here in the next, I don't know how long it's going to take me, a couple of weeks. I'm getting ready to go on vacation. Yeah, I'm going to be really busy, and I do have a collaboration. I have 2 collaborations coming up, one with Bonnie's Bargains. I have one coming up with her that'll come up next week, and we're going to do us a Mass Monday together, and we're going to do a collab, so you'll be seeing Bonnie and I next Monday. And I have a FabFitFun Triple Crown Battle coming out with Reviews with Sue and Laura Wooten Reviews, and we will be doing that as soon as we can all get our boxes. We're still waiting on some boxes to get here. The annual memberships have been quite different here lately since they've changed the pricing, and since they've changed it to where you have to pay $15 to get your box quickly. And used to, we would all get our boxes fairly quickly if we were annual members, and now they're taking, up to a month to get the boxes out to us. So I don't know exactly if that's just this particular quarter or if it's something that they're doing new. If you don't pay, you don't get it as fast. I don't know. But I do have my suspicions about that, because literally I have my box, Sue just got hers on Saturday, and Laura's still waiting on hers. So there's something different going on. I don't know if any of you have experienced that. I know that it's been staggered. So it could be that they just have so many to get out that it just takes forever to get them out. There's also that possibility. But anyways, that is one other thing that is coming up. So be on the lookout for that. It'll happen sometime between now and before I go on vacation. And when I go on vacation this year I may take off, and I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know if I'm going to have videos coming out during the 10 days that I'm gone or not. But I do know that I have a lot to get out before vacation, and some of it includes Temu, and I've got a habitation box coming out. I've got a big Macy's haul, pretty huge Macy's haul that I got for my birthday, and I just haven't had a chance to get it out. I've got a huge amount of clothes from Temu that I want to show you guys. I'm trying to look around to see what else. I've got a single swag. I've got several things coming out. So anyways, just be on the lookout for those. And as for today, and happy Mass Monday, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.